Notice the result of the personal interview for the post of Gram Sevak, conducted by the District Selection Committee, Eastern West Khasi Hills District on the 28th of May, 2025, is hereby declared. The names of the successful candidates recommended by the District Selection Committee in order of merit are as follows. Name of candidates: 1. Bandaplang Syiemlich, 2. Shainborlang Nongrang, 3. Kitborlang Kharthangmawsaw. The recommendation of the candidates shall confer no claim for appointment, unless the appointing authority is satisfied after such inquiry as may be considered necessary, that the candidates are suitable in all respects,